Well, we got another package. All right, let's check it out. Oh, good doggy. Welcome back to another unboxing video. Today we have something from Numrich, also known as Gun Parts Corp. So feel free to check them out. Numrich, a very large amount of items. So let's go ahead and get you out of the way. Thank you. And see how we get this open. Because this has been taped up with reinforced tape all over, I actually did a few starting cuts already to save time. Let's go ahead and finish off this and spread out the items. Again, these all came from Numrich, also known as Gun Parts Corporation. So let's see if we can go ahead and go through these items. Let's see what we got here. Okay, so this was listed as a bayonet with scabbard used, good to very good. So I believe this is a Set Me, possibly Set Me L bayonet. As you can see here, we got a snap latch. You actually got a label here. So you can get that in view. Nothing on that side. Zip tied on to that portion. Let's see if we can pull this out. So we have a dark finish on the blade. You can see the pattern there. Got some markings. Get that in focus. Very nice. And handle condition there. The attachment points. Very free moving there. That's good. And the condition of this. A little bit of wear and tear. Hang point is on there. So I've got a little sticker there. You can see the rest of the scabbard is in good condition. No lanyard, but that could be added on. So again, bayonet with scabbard used. Set Me pattern. Next up, let's just go for this one right here. Israeli Civil Defense Helmet used. So it's a plastic helmet. You see the shape there. I do believe this is the rear portion and this is the front with a logo. So you can see there writing, leaves there, epaulettes, and this logo here, what looks like some falling objects. And you see a bump cap style there, chin strap, chin cup, plastic with some sort of spongy padding, and the suspension unit on the inside, just a basic safety style of plastic. So with the markings there, you have a Israeli Civil Defense helmet used. Just keep that in view there. Next up was this first object that we pulled the manifest from. I actually have one of these already, but we have another one now because these were on clearance. Visiscope training device, French military. So what this is used in conjunction with, say, an item, and you have your trainee and your trainer. This gives the trainer the ability to see in parallel what the trainee is looking at through a series of mirrors and sight points as well. So you can see this will open up and will give you kind of a parallax image once you have this set up correctly. I don't have it in the correct orientation at this time, but you can see all the components here that will strap onto the item. Looks like we have our adjustment knobs down here as well for locking these pieces in. And this would actually socket into here. And then this will strap onto your item, and then your instructor can then view in parallel, if I can get this to line up correctly, but in parallel what the trainee is looking at downrange. So French military visiscope, that's the angle I was looking for right there, with all the other straps and equipment there. So keep that in view there. Next up, a whole bunch of belts and stuff. So looks like, let's go with the last item, military dress belt, light green canvas. So this is a style that would have the kind of add-on belt buckle, but this does have the brass end. Looks like we have size marking, and I just happen to have a spare style of buckle that this type of belt usually threads into, and you can then secure it. So not exactly a brass match, but it does kind of match the color of the belt. So here's military dress belt, light green canvas. Next up, working backwards, is a strap belt, 40-inch long canvas with buckle. So this is kind of a possibly tie-down strap, 40 inches. I actually want to see if I can use it as a greatcoat strap, kind of a heavy-duty one. It looks like I can. So you can see the style of buckle there. It does have a lot of age to it. Let's just see if it's magnetic. Yes, it is. And now I can't get the magnet off. Let's see. Okay. Let's just double check the bayonet. You see all the metal steel components there, including on the scabbard. And of course, hopefully the blade, of course, is steel. So, and the handle is, the tang is magnetic, so it's getting magnetized through the handle, and the pommel is magnetic as well. So this was the 40-inch strap belt, canvas with buckle. And last but not least, all tied up in tape. Let's see how I can get this open here. Reinforced tape. Okay. So what this is, belt / suspenders, 50-inch canvas with Danish markings. So you can see here's this kind of a khaki brown, and here already I can see the possibly shoulder splitters there. Here are the bigger shoulder straps, and then they'll come down. And then you can see here they have these very large, very large attachment points here, possibly to a large 3-hole web belt, possibly. You can see all the fittings. And if I can find that magnet. Okay, let's see what's magnetic here. These are all brass. Here's your Danish markings right there. And even the rivets are not magnetic, nor this cross point here. So belt / suspenders, 50-inch canvas with Danish markings. There's the other markings there, the crown. Then we also had strap / belt, 40-inch long canvas with buckle, with the kind of aged out buckle there. Likewise, we also had under here, mixing everything all up, we had military dress belt, light green canvas. We had also Visiscope training device, French military, Israeli civil defense helmet used. And then we started off with a bayonet with scabbard, and I believe this is a Set Me pattern, possibly Set Me L. And these all came from Numrich Gun Parts Corporation. Feel free to check them out. Very large amount of items. Numrich Gun Parts Corp. So this has been another unboxing video. Feel free to check out other unboxing videos on the channel. We also do show and tell videos on vintage milsurp tools and expanded topics. We do a selection of book review, media reviews, and also a series called Curios for the Curious, videos of more artsy type objects. Feel free to check all those out. Feel free to like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. See you next time.